Hey green thumbs and upcycling enthusiasts, welcome back to Birds of a Feather. I'm Sarah and today we're diving into our world of upcycled planters. If you're looking to add a touch of creativity to your space, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's jump into turning trash into treasure. Want to elevate your plant game in the new year? Well, you're in for a treat today because we're exploring 46 insanely amazing upcycled planters that will blow your mind. We're all about turning ordinary into extraordinary, so let's get inspired with some weird and wacky planters. What's the secret to creating these masterpieces, you ask? It's all about repurposing everyday items into unique planters. From vintage toasters to old phone enclosures, the possibilities are endless. Don't limit your imagination, let's turn junk into botanical marvels. Explore some of the videos in the project scrolling by. Just click on the full tutorial video links in the description. But wait, what can you repurpose as a planter? The answer is simple: anything. We've transformed kitchenwares, thrift store finds, furniture, glass, and even clothing into stunning planters. The key is to let your creativity run wild and see the beauty in unexpected places. Now, when it comes to materials, there are no boundaries. Concrete, ceramic, fabric, plastic, the list goes on. Dive into your garage, explore thrift stores, and let your surroundings guide your upcycling journey. But how do you upcycle everyday items? Stick around because I'm about to share 10 creative ways to turn junk into upcycled planters. Turn a toaster that doesn't work into a pop-up garden. Repurpose thrift store jeans into a blue jean planter. Transform old sewing tables into a potting bench, drink station, or a planter. Turn plastic packaging into molds by pouring cement to form light bulb planters. Use a wine box to take your plants for a joyride. Create a whimsical Japanese glass float. Use a thrifted glass globe from a discarded light fixture. Make a woven plant basket using easy-to-find items from the dollar store. Use common wire to make air plant holders that you can display anywhere and on anything. Disassemble a pallet and use the wood to make a unique pallet clock planter. Think outside the box and convert a phone enclosure into a plant shelf. Now let's explore some seasonal upcycle planters perfect for fall and winter. From milk cans filled with autumn flowers to blue jean planters, we've got your cold season gardening covered. And who said planters can't be gifts? Indoor planters like our woven plant basket make fantastic presents. But if you're more into low maintenance, check out our easy air plant ideas. Now let's delve into cement planters. Discover how to create a baseball or light bulb planter using upcycled plastic molds. Your decor will never be the same. And for the crochet enthusiasts out there, we've got some green decor. From crochet plant hangers to air plant pods, it's time to bring your yarn creations into the plant world. Whether you're a sports fan or a music lover, we've got something special for you. Turn a basketball into a planter and give a broken guitar a new life as a botanical masterpiece in the garden. Don't forget that many of these projects are perfectly suitable for an indoor or outdoor space too. And don't miss our phone booth planter, a quirky touch to your green oasis. Check out the faux barnboard phone booth shelf for extra charm. Vintage finds hold a special place in our hearts. Learn how to upcycle treasures without compromising their charm. Some of you may love rusty gold, but if rust is your nemesis, we've got you covered with all the secrets on how to remove rust on metal. Upcycle kitchenware? Why not? See how we transformed a non-working toaster into a pop-up garden and turned vintage kitchen items into punny air plant displays. You can't beat an upcycled beater. Ready to get a bit kitschy? Dive into the world of ceramic air plant holders and find out how a broken piece can become a stunning planter. And here's a piece that we actually thrifted. Learn how to turn a vintage sewing table into a versatile upcycled planter. Add pegboard, vertical shelves, and voila! A green masterpiece. Thrifting never looks so good. Let's talk plastic. Upcycling it, that is. Explore how to turn plastic rings from paint cans into a unique crochet wall hanging planter. Save the ocean, one upcycled planter at a time. And for those of you on a budget, why not create a vertical garden using soda bottles? We all have those, right? Raid your recycle bin, follow our tutorial, and turn your space into a green haven. Now, let's sprinkle some seasonal magic into our upcycle planters. From Valentine's Day to Christmas, we've got creative ideas for every occasion. Transform vintage candle holders into a unique Christmas tree planter. Christmas doesn't get greener than this. Now, before you embark on your upcycling journey, here are some key tips. Clean your items thoroughly, fix any imperfections, seal the inside with liquid rubber if you're working with wood, prime if needed, and let your creativity run wild. A little further ahead, you're going to be in for a bonus treat. We're going to show you this hypertufa planter and fire pit planter right in our own garden. As an added bonus, we'd like to show you our sustainable garden. We've got a small suburban lot, and we've dug it up and we put in a rock garden and a dry creek bed, as you can see here. The rock garden is towards the back corner of our lot. And as you can see, the feature is a beautiful mini ginkgo tree. There's our hypertufa planter that you saw earlier. And we have a beautiful pond that's so zen. Isn't the sound of the water so calming? Looks like our pom-pom juniper could use another haircut. We're going to link to that up in the right-hand corner, or check down below in the description. There's also a tutorial on how we actually clean our pond each and every year at the opening of the season, so check that out too. Putting mirrors on the fence in a garden can really open up the space. We love that little trick. There's always room for a piece of metal garden art. I just love this red bicycle. It really pops against the green, doesn't it? These stunning daylilies just keep blooming and blooming. They're so beautiful. Let's move over to a year before on a sunnier day. Here's our pom-pom juniper when we first planted it. It was just a baby, so cute. And here it is now, all trimmed up and looking mighty fine, I might add. Here's another version of our hypertufa planter. Well, that's a wrap on our small garden tour and 46 amazing upcycled planters. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you're ready to turn your space into a green paradise. Subscribe for more eco-friendly inspiration, and until next time, happy planting, and more importantly, happy upcycling. Want more budget-friendly, unique upcycle DIYs? Be sure to watch another video.